Amazon Basic water filter, they actually fit in the Brita water pitchers that last up to 2 months versus the Brita Elite, which filters water up to 6 months. I also noticed that the Brita Elite filter filters faster than the basic filter. Let's have a quick look at the Brita Elite water filter replacement for the Brita pitchers, dispensers, filtering the water for 6 months instead of the basic one, which is 2 months, and you can decide which is more convenient for you. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.